Hey there, welcome back to this step-by-step tutorial where we will guide you through how to add collections to your Shopify store using Trendsi. Whether you are starting your online store or looking to optimize product management, this video is perfect for you. Shopify, as many of you know, is one of the most popular e-commerce platforms in the world. It had over 1 million entrepreneurs from over 175 countries to grow their businesses, from small startup to big corporations. First thing first, let's log into your Shopify account. Head over to shopify.com and click on the login button in the top right corner of the page. Once you are logged in, you will see your Shopify dashboard, which acts as your control center. On the left hand side, you have all your store settings. From here, you will access the tools we need to manage your product. Now let's move on to the product section on the left hand menu. This is where we manage everything related to our inventory. Click on collection and you will see the option to create a new collection. We are going to create a new collection for the trending products. Let's give it a title. In my case, I will choose trending products, but you can choose whatever fits your store theme. You can also add a description to help your customers better understanding what's in this collection. Once you are done fine-tuning the details, hit save and there you have it. Your collection is created. Now it's time to set up your all Trendsi stuff. Let's open a new browser tab and head to the trendsi.com. Once you are here, you will see a variety of products categories ranging from women's fashion, dresses, accessories and many more. You can browse by category or search by specific product. Trendsi is all about helping you discover trending items that align with your brands. Once you find a product you like, click on the heart icon to add it to your favorites. Let's add few products from the women's section: tops, dresses and accessories. This item will be perfect for our trending product collection. Now that we have gathered some products, it's time to create a collection on Trendsi. Click on the collections tab in your Trendsi dashboard and create a new collection. I will name mine Shopify. Once the collection is created, we are going to start adding our saved product to it. Simply click on each product and add it to a newly created collection. Once you all set in a Trendsi, now it's time to connect your Trendsi to your Shopify. First, click on your profile icon in the top right hand corner of Trendsi. You will see an option that says Connect Store. Click on that and then select Add New Store. From here, choose Connect Shopify Store. This will redirect you to Shopify's App Store, where you will need to install Trendsi. Don't worry, this only take a few clicks. Hit install and once you're done, you will be redirected back to Trendsi. Once you're connected, you can start syncing your product from Trendsi to your Shopify collection. Head back to your favorite and select the product you want to add. Then click Add to Store. In the pop-up menu, you can choose the collection to add this product to. In this case, it's our trending products collection. You will also be able to customize product types, prices and more. Once you have finalized everything, click Add to Store and let the system do its things. Now it will take some time, so be patient. Now head back to Shopify and click on View on Shopify. To see our newly added products, you will see that everything is now live and a part of your trending product collection. You can click on individual product to edit their details further or to add any customization such as pricing, images or tags. And there you have it. With just a few steps, you have created a collection, added trending product using Trendsi and synced it all with Shopify. Now your store has the freshest inventory and you are ready to make sales. Make sure to take a look at your online store to see how everything is displayed. If you have found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Shopify tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.